Biamano kigima omwanchu muligereria ensa ya bene ya ikire alias togo chitwa mulekera igoro ya mangana ya kebochenu asimibire itekaro tolino munyagitari tobotambe oyogocho tobumanye otosemia amangana mange igoro yobochenu asimibire yaito korwa senyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal Clinic amo neskuru ya Tenacious Herbal College abo bakorwa obobwenia gutumeka emete yekegusi ose bakoroka alternative treatment ekero bagutumeka emete yekegusi mbali gose mete ao nyagithali to buna botambe ni akorokwa Dr. Mosumari Motondi na yaro to gutwara kira litskolia Jumaine uchakira ense monenu sugo ikachinse sato chimambia ya kira litskolia Jumaine iko karibu sana somorobelio wiki ya tanto kwanera mange igoro yeli nanasi tugakwanera mange ngana kirigo konya omubere byakegima na ende namaya amange linanasi ribwate asomobere ande tugakwanera nkirikige bona ande tugakwanera telire
tugakwanda igoro yeli nanasi tugakwandira igoro ya obuya bweli nanasi unabyo gutumika as a infertility.
Yes, no tugakwanira igoro ye cabbage
and the cabbage
yes,
unego immunity and also unego konya as a ensema ulcers and cancers.
Nigo mbia mono sana igo mwanchu muligere litskolia lero na ende nigo togenderete with the healing foods ose chindagera chirichi kobweni anene vegetables and fruits chirichi bwato buyo bonge asomobere na ande chire medicine ose chibwato bobwenia chinguru chobobwenia ekero togo chire litskolia lero ntokwanire igoro yenyanya litskolia lero boigo ntokwanire igoro ya kiwi na inchengo manyande kiwi ngento kinche maete kiwi ne rangi ose rangi ebikoroto kolende ntobwate litunda aina ya kiwi ntochikomanyo buya bwae amo nenyanya igobona ikaranso ike asemambe yabono motobwate gwetera senchira ye mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abo Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ndeke robwate chinga kina bogo to tweet @Ndizi TV News na endo tome okoboli kwao ose karutagete kumanya kende kurwa somnya gitali togega se studio na ndo mwalimu na bokolika liboli yao wetrase namba yesimi eyuere ase TV yao igobona korobono igamba chinsa isato no tolenera igase studio karibu sana
ambia mona sara
lero gwachire mapema gengyo
lero chigali jinja nditimono hata mimi niliamka mapema biya elinde nyale gwikira asenge nchukugeria amana abamenta TV lero
abantu mbia bale kurunyomba
abantu mbia bale na hata wale ambao bagutoligereria asenge nshamegeli waito mbia mona se message na njenga nyora se simi mbia mona se communication mbia mona asenge nchabande bagoteba bagendere kwegera mono nebintu binde batamanyete bagendere kwegera mono na banashukuru sana naende bakire Ndizi TV asomorobelio muya uko bakonya kwegera mono
asante
wiki
ya tugakwanira igoro ya pineapple tukarobone gokonya nonye no muchando cancer tugateba ngokonye iri gupunguza signs and symptoms cha arthritis tugateba cabbage ngo karobatu muchando constipation tugateba cabbage juice useno nyelikerero still na bego konya igone garonte ko recap tumanye go so ase
actually ase bali maybe batalinga na intwe last time igo twegerete igoro ye pineapple pineapple igo kurwe gwa chinsenye moinye asogwetera bwango dina nasi na bokoliria oli butole olirie buna kawaida lire na bokol blend rosie bune juice na ende elina nasi na bokolire canned elibekira somokebe all right na ende nabo lina nasi ogoche chama sabali yaye onyesi bibuya na endo nyatumie ase chinsa meji chonsi twegerete ngenda nasi nengiyere asingenje bwata a lot of minerals bwata magnesium na ende igeokonya apart from food abande tokorengera ni ndagira akuri lakini ekero ya so in our system it is very medicinal unabono nkegeringa igeokonya as a reproduction all right reproduction fertility infertility problem nko very improved sana neli nanasi so instead of going kona go struggle na malio gale more complicated we call it nanasi eliga edosi yaye igere 1 glass times 4 kora nyuma ambia onyuma gaso onyusa tiso nyuma rogoba there is no problem abande bakabolia onywe omuntu bwate diabetes ngateba Diabetes as natural foods. As chindagira chire natural ali nanasi, ali toke, avocado. It is kana. You see, it is very natural. Na enjera liko digested, igere slow, na ende ngia eko adapted in a system. So teligo shtuo mubere, asogo so insulin for digestion, yachiko kupandisha sugar level. Yes.
Bia mono sana so kora inyuli mwanchu muligeria kilitu akorete wiki ya erete. Ano mwalimu ekara uchaki kirasi go ikara inyoranga nkia someti goro. Umanya kwenda topic ende kubwatia. Kulende tutaraenda abo omuntu narombole tribolio kerona mutete na maminto gakubwate studio to kwanira igoro ya healing foods.
Yeah, chindagira chiko wen.
Agantebinga na abwato muchando bwesukali.
Okay.
Kera abwato muchando bwesukali nkonyorole nere no mobya. Lakini for the last 3 weeks ekera pimeta kanyorere 8.7 eliakabera gapima kanyora ere 8.9 bona eliakatete kera pimeta nyora tere 9.2.
Okay.
Igo ngaki indagira kichara atumeke egere chisuppress sukali ya ira neka.
So that one you want to tell maybe enchere sukali ya komenteka of course inko increase ile lakini teraba so bad love turatebenga ya bire chronic gose ya advanced totebenga irare to more complications. So asenginche kuna ko increase by points ne wenrete adjust. Number 1 onye obete worried. All right? Onye obete worried, you to being worried, you say ko worry asike usinge turabe.
Omondo ko ka ondoga
tena. Onye chitaga twali situation yo gukumia, gusoko ondoka, guse okogoseka. Okay, tigantumye lugeyo. Onye gwe gosete in any way, asenda tabe kesongo if there was certain level of amount of stress, ya chita seleni yaye, mbi yanye control. Because usually stress, ekero ya chira seleni yo kwegosa blood sugar increases, hypertension increases, those are the major ones. Alafu even a headache increase, restlessness, fatigue, chiamenta. So onye condition yache tenga bunejo. Sarah, nabona leo chako device ya control. Ntobata very good herbs. Ntobata very good herbs. Anyway, as I I can sing as a clinic. Ntobata Sarah very good herbs. Na ndena tabaliringa. Liba gaba ntobako na kwenda jogoro gora say clinic. Maybe to get their medicine. To a letter extension. Watch a twin towers in Kisi. A building area in Tambali Bosongo. So ntobata clinic ground floor, it got all types of medicine, all types of herbs. Chikugwenia maroirons. So I say go chororo, say clinic, when I want to this type of kalonji capsules. Oil. Kalonji oil capsules. Ekokonya say hypertension. Ngosoera say shida ya blood sugar. Yaswa say chialsa. Yaswa say cholesterol. Na ende ngo tumekere for massage. Amona konyobu na chicapsule. Kwanza chine chicapsule chirema. And they are very good for that kind of problem, diabetes and high blood pressure. So another one is cinnamon. It's also very good. Cinnamon lietali usiri ambachirake. Lakini it's also very good. It's an oil. You can put it in food and you can use it especially for massage. Especially this type of oil is very good for massage. Emeki, omogongo, amagoro, it's there. So nabogo chali twin towers. No mujagitoria itale or supply amaliogo yechichubanaro kune yechisiorolia constipation, prostate troubles, ulcers, such a kind of trouble is there. Kune ligama onotokoro kanga arthritis oil elia massage. Oise koraka bichankara omuntu gwatomogongo chijointi maiga alafu yebigotiga iga omotu. It's very nice medicine. Na ende buna wono tokora lieke nyagitari to kwegeli massage, twegeli hydrotherapy, twegeli aromatherapy, twegeli bune skin yako ba beautiful na ade yaba buyabuna kwenye kwegeli those kind of applications. So if somebody comes say college yaito, ina roto kwegeli ororo, amane clinic yaito kia Herbal Center. Tenacious Herbal Center geoto ka jogoro goralia. It's also another center. Buna bono na tebanga ise konyo urukogenda chinza chiamambe biyaigo igela iniego tambea because of the good service to offer na Dr. Joel Omayo amona into na bali to konya na nere. It's a very good kind of attention na treatment irengia Sara.
Igomona nyore kalonje yo tablets na beko mokonya punguze.
Ase ngenchere abolia na and of course when we do treatment akarago sitoko likeliogo sitoko tebandi ogoki actually Sara it's good if we can see the patient. Ekaro kwa marorire tonyore history, all right? Tonyore medication iki abairo gotumia and how long. So from there we can actually advising and yoki agotumia maybe a change go cha herbal medication onyora tumira le nyagitari tumanya na arali tobakero to ko change tumanya ngagitoko mo change kurwa sa nyagitari to herbal at least to bwati system getengia iranya le komokonya gwangu.
Lakini asibono onye stress
ya onye bono stress kuna bona I can say onye stress ya bwate na ba reduce na endo konyore stinging nettle, all right? Stinging nettle nere kurukulise.
Okay.
Yes. So aise konyora lise amato.
Okay.
Avelie for 5 to 10 minutes. Alafu wanywe. It's very good controller of diabetes.
Mataya ngaye. Anyway, mbia mono asoko mokonya juu nante beti anga kirete sim actually keraro che posta. Akante inkoboli gong skalia ya beri ke ukina for the consecutive 2 weeks. Kerago pima koramba bwate bipimo birbawe pimera.
Yeah, there is. Ndiroba akobeka weka iga ocheck.
Ocheck ibweka. Igo stress yonye keroro na bako yipunguza.
Ya nesting nettle
kuna na motel rise.
Rise maybe onyo konyore chi packet kwa sali clinic into bwate. Onyo konyore packet iga aire powder abeka sa machago samba akonywa glass times 3 every day na bakonyore ya children because it is a good treatment for diabetes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mbia mono sana mwanchu muligeli gotole na daktari Motondi Mosumari yubo igoro morokia ase skuru ya Tenacious Herbal College ere asa magacha Twin Towers asubo gatagati mu chubo songo na korwa asenye gitali ya Tenacious Herbal Clinic egotoka jinse macha jogo asa magacho alright. Asante. Bono nabotogo swa igoro ye nyanya. Nyanya ntumaete is a fruit and then ntumaete egasi egokora mono. Ntuto kwa yerobuna ukaranga chinyeni komento bwansu asendagira.
Okay. So enyanya segesoge koro tomato. Na segesweli inaitwa nyanya ni kawaida hivyo. Actually abantu abange ntwanjite kubeka enyanya chinyeni na enyanya taratoka asendagira tokoria ndoliko ba comfortable. Aserero nonye kulie gubune ndagira abanchwa igona takamba inyolinge enyanya apart kobe kurwase kobe ndagira ase research ya koruru from very high universities chiense including from China, from Italy, from US. Enyanya has been proven to be a very wonderful medicine. Ikiagere kero ikuliegwa ige kuliegwa nge chinsemo 3 chinsemo isato kulie nyanya. Number 1 enyanya ige okanyigwe nke kwa nyelibune salad. Na bere ko explain igoro ye salad ingia salad ingia ige bwate nyanya okay egatwale getunguo all right
getunguo ga springs go seke kyanya ndo
any other any type of onion because overall stage bwate component iwe kaine lakini yose konyole kiganya nkundi okay it could be the best ekere biga binde mbibwata acidity level igoro kidogo gose sulfur ya bere igoro so a salad when anata nyanya and then you come to getunguo Sara and then you chiche carrot salad ingia and then you chiche cabbage and then you chiche beetroot oise koba gokonyora ebinte bitano bibe salad actually igorabe gotumie salad ere very special okobeke salad ere very medicinal actually goetani kobe ndagera igora nyerugo kobeke salad ere very medicinal into your system yani liogoligi ya sana lakini ikorwa sicindagera tigangiro rasoli ole kolika because na cheteka nyara ba minto wa kolika bale so that they get assisted ikiara ne cindagera na ito watabanga if you come to the clinic wacha mapema for the good medication that is being offered there by the end of unatogenda tengo kwa tole contact yetu na te baba nchu salad engia enyanya koroku tomato ochiche getunguo Sara you can also try that it's very nice ekaroba chira sege tunguo ochiche carrot ukorwe carrot ochiche cabbage na nde cabbage yoma etere nyingi sana very many types awe bango chete commission type kira tumike alafu omoeli oye ochiche beetroot ebinte bibi wanene because they are vegetables biyonse bigo soamo nko iwana na bire. However abantu bande bali baragani for that sake ament garlic lemon, okay?
Na ginata geto kumoli actually nga antumbali ba menta lemon.
Yes.
As a salad.
As a salad. So it's not bad. So a few drops che lemon juice ombente nkeigo, it's not bad. Lakini tebe nyinge echigo raise the acidity level, echiko mente acid ebe echigo chigo affect asibali bobati chalsas. Inkitoko ekora toko beka lemon juice. It's because libago kuna kobeke chumbi, you can put a lemon. Unabona ba minto mbale ba tebunga mbatumie chumbi of all types. Gose mbabeke chumbi nyinge. Libago liko na struggle ne chumbi, gosomo nyorende, gose ne chumbi gosomo. Gose lyogo lyechinyeni. So mbiyabeke drops of lemon.
Litunda liro.
Asengenjo ego konya chewing na ende ya flavor na ende ya konya bono as a digestion system. So that the five of them. Ebinte bitano nateba ebire salad ingia sana.
Na nento bwate types of lemons. Nto bwate litunde liro kawaida. Nento bwate kaliba krokege swahili limau. Kalika bwate borogete.
Limau, yes.
Bwete anitie kerengo.
Ndiyo.
Lakini wana
tuna limau. Lakini sekonyora litunda lia kawaida lemon is better than limau. Ama ndimu yenyewe. Ndimu utumia ndimu badala kutumia limau. Yes, okay. It is good. Jidrop ko beka ngenye isano higa.
Bia mono. Kero ine salad yengi ya daktari atatebiri ngoranda ko yetema ingredient na ron kwebe.
Yes.
Nkorosi ndi batinanya gutumeka.
Na inde bono sara ase maybe a commenta sinini ase konyemeki ebe biya ebe sweet na bogo sprinkle cinnamon powder. A powder ya cinnamon na bokonyorokerera sinini ase ndagire yonsi itakuwa na harufu nzuri na itakulika vizuri. Bono sara tuira na ase nyanya.
Ase nyanya.
Ngiyekora tugutumia nyanya. Omotegereryo ito enyanya ogwana tugutumia ne nyanya entobu. Enyanya ya tobire biya ekiegera the acidity level ya keire. Bono enyanya gutumia we have so ntubwate bona manimeka ntubwate enyanya kurukali j ne chinde so enyanya ne enyanya lakini ise konyoli manimeka is even excellent lakini enyanya ne enyanya beyonsi enyanya ekaleli yaye erangeli yaye mbaliri mono nero tukugani kurwa se enyanya ye alright so enyanya yege bwate kale yembaliri asege songo yekurukuliko pen pen na erangie yaye na very special asogo kora treatment in our system and actually from the research which has been done lycopene igeo kore mereme menge asomonto ukurianya especially men actually lero ni chengerese nyanya yake aso kwege kagochia sabagaka gose gochia sa basacha rende ikiara sometimes na ronkora bwatira ni ndabangina so enyanya ye nata bokonyelia in 3 chinsemo isato na bokonyelia bune salad na bokonyelia bune juice na bokonyelia bune juice orosie juice na enda na bokonye boil eko ba boiled and we a juice eko beli wasinini and then the person now can drink
yetokoroka achali na tokoroka
achali yes achali
wose wana korokonye karanga
ekorokonye karanga kidogo ubrokanega tungoge sinini te imono lakini togote then it makes a very good juice then it's also the best however montaise korosi salad is even excellent now lycopene igere ngotokera so mubere okay chinsemo chiabagaka alright nchibwate a component ekoroku lycopene na lycopene eyengotokera se nyanya karongo tabalinda bagaka osego eluge intunyegwete so ekera abagaka baguchigotware shida gose gotango muchando bokoba unabona nguchende gotabanga a condition ye prostate a prostate gland so nagina takanta benga particularly today aseli tukolia rero na mrache ku request abagaka bantegererete surely na into aba serious irende tali keguzi gerige tabanga ki yatu yasira sometimes ekero Tenacious Herbal Clinic eko make extension aso kwegeriga you see it is a love uno gwanje ni tokoleta go chasa extension so that italinga Tenacious Herbal Clinic igeta gita abantu barware bachinya gitari lakini to ko extend as even ko bakonya protection go say improving their immunity so that italinga bachinya gitari go sebana gutara chinya gitari that is why we say Tenacious Herbal College ige koleta this extension through Ndizi TV asoko konya bategereri now likopen ekero muntu akonyetumia chinse mechi na teba asaba gaka igego konya prostate gland a prostate gland might wanana nyebeke sara today taliero nari kwegere kini nara tigero motegere yone homework
aro ekero go yagwana sego songo akoiweka na rice
lakini kwenye resa siki usime bi ara tekichinga kekere kini no motegere yone nara motigeire akera koigunga prostate yes a prostate gland ekero muntu agutumia enyanya ngo ikabale abagaka twabimba okay I think eluge na bera fair okobimba chinsemo chiabo chia maskani so ekera gutumia enyanya eyibwata likopen igego konya taliko bimba yes the prostate gland enlargement igeko ba controlled ikiaro na kiero yakinire gose yagareire na kieko era bagaka chinza chinde ba gutwale problem yokogenda ajenke yabe nkongu gose yasinya kabisa gose bakogenda hajenkenke batali comfortable a condition buneyo so omugaka above 50 years emyaka zaidi ya 50 gose 45 am advising gose tuabata biringa bachake kutumie nyanya igego konye prostate enlargement na prostate cancer are you getting that Sarah
I'm getting it
so I'm advising that abagaka nacho konyora bagaka sibara abagi because I'm yet to organize even in churches so that tuikera nabaga because a condition yego chiaba very kali sana na ndo nabanacho kobolinga akero tu akorre kurwa na bogo akesi mi personally nko erese what it means trocheka ronko erese kurwa sabanta bange goikanaro tolende maite nabagusito so amaskari naro
chinsoni
so asoko tumie nyanya nguchere ko konye prostate gland dibage kwen large because normally it is very natural ekero monta what 50 years and above chio hormone cheito ngo chichire naturally chia chenchia ego chenchia chiri eliere kawaida yaba abnormal ekere ko abnormal ntatumia malita yege songo ekere ko abnormal yaji go affect prostate gland yaso akogalia lakini isoko tumie nyanya yenateba igerengia ego go compress go control what a condition to koroka prostate enlargement mbabo ngo bagutumia abagaka barabi ababwate more than 50 years especially is over 50 60 go chiabwo igere biya sana korosia enyanya kwalia enyanya yigo tarachi konyorosia wikandwa machiko makenga ki nyore nyanya ya okurwe chiro uno mugako mungaini kusomongi no mungaini korasole mugako enyanya because ni mato na bagina mbategerete baro sie nyanya yiga banyisi bibuya na amacha goite kasara okay running water ngiye goro to tumia running water ese condition angeibere one enyanya yekero yaringi mugondo ekona gocha igebwatiri yogo likonyerenda elinde bacteria gose worms ntinya affect amarwaire yes selugenya lolo so eliogondro anyway enyanye yesi bigubuya with running water elinde na inde pangu subuya we eliminate pesticides na inde to eliminate bacteria chi bacteria nchirora nyore chiroro gusamarwaire na gwateba aranyare kolete problem iyo so enyanye yesi bigubuya ekara ya sibigu ekenyigwe enke style inde trochi bunoranye kenyero kana maridadi so ebekwe bune salad buna nateba na ebeligwe na ekere ko beligwa yoka na momo gaka kubeke glass akona kunyubune juice Gose na bako nyebeke blender ero sigwe juice and then you win a juice lakini na bako add maybe drops of lemon maybe into binde bikego ase konye make sweet. So ekuno control the prostate enlargement
and even prostate cancer.
And the prostate cancer. Yes.
Chandete igamurikira baga singincho no bagutwara umechando yo prostate. A glands na chigo chiche enlarge. Ekero mwaka kwenda haja kidogo yabe shida yachi go block. Konyora wono
elugi ye kuruku blockage.
Blockage ya soire wetra umechando yo. Igange nyanya nebwate ega siengi yana ende konkurende daktari enyanya nebwate sugars, nebwate fiber, gose nebwate calories.
Good.
Ebinte each component each.
Sarah, you are bright. I like you, Chiroko Bolierengia. So, enyanya, actually, mbia, whatever sana. Enyanya ne water fiber. No chama sabaya. When you just chew and swallow, it is naturally fiber. Ekere ne chinta tare chiaye. Si you chew mpoka seeds. So ekere chigo so in the system, echire natural fiber. Ekere chigo so chigo konya digestion, all right? Chia konya ko eliminate acidity in the stomach. Alafu chiama na ko yanako konya chire even constipation. Because fiber ekere in the system, no nyine elimination of cholesterol from the emeki also from the system igere biyasana because chinyanya chire chibwate a lot of fiber. Then you are very right. Enyanya ne bwate some little amount of sugar. Actually, I want to say chindagire chigatokolia ange chionsi chibwate some amount of sugar. When I want to take carrot ne bwate sugar, even a beetroot ne bwate some amount of sugar. No matter no nyine cabbage ne bwate some little amount of sugar. So chindagire chitokoli chionsi chibwate some amount of sugar. Otatigere friendly. Igere ngiya wacha say system na inde very natural. So mtobwate sugar lakini degunyara wa affect your monto diabetes because it is very natural.
Okay.
Yes.
Bia mona sana. Mwanchu muligereria nigotoli na daktari Mosumari Motondi gaki ningoboli no nae. Ama yarasa yugo toye igweti uchina totigera abo murobulio enyanya wikira besto ikire toro chinga nigebwate faida engiya asomobere yogo konya gutanga marwirigete ari gucha konyora mona bagaka. Iga enyanya nigintu kiamana sana nindo chabande bachakire gutuma chujumbe gwetera sensemo ya Facebook. Nabo igo chujumbe cheno toma gwetera se namba yesimi yuera se TV yao egera to yiligererie asegeke kekerebosyo ngo chitoleko ba recognize mwensi bali magenda tekubwati murobuli andonsi asokubwati korwa atukwaregane chekegima asomurubuli bweli tskolia lero tugukwanira healing foods chindagera chirito ko litwakaganga igo chigo tokonye mubiri tobe health na ndobe strong kulende chindagere china nchibwata chinguru chyokorwo bugweni agete tutamanyete na kiyakogera kera litskole Jumaine tokole to munyagitari to korwa sinyagitari ya bene Tenacious Herbal Clinic amone skuru ya Tenacious Herbal College abwasi bakorwa maigelio bagendrete gusango bungaini obugochia se aborokigwa na bali interested asa mangana yama emete yekeusi ose korualia otumeka chindagera bune chitokweretsera gaiga daktari mbiamono akiratogenderete iga kero kende mbaro mundu naro kubelie enyanya monase endagera yabana gusena nyina abantu bande mbara kubeka enyanya samacha ali warm was hot orusie ekikwaruka fiber otuguta igonga kigo.
Now I can advise enyanya mbiya kulie gubunere however na rusie ngozi ya isiko still there is internal fiber chire na bera nyore no mwana ale koroseli juice. All right. So umwana omokako mwana egechiko. So I can advise na bako beri arusie ngosi eli esiko there is no problem aso mwana. Lakini aso monto manene it's always advisable nga ekere taba taligo chuko simo chando nde bwensi in the system na bako nyetumia kunere igo. Akego menteresara nga the study which has been done even by Harvard University yaoro kiringa abantu ngirore nga abantu bagutumia nyanya frequently because teliko banyinge mobere ntataka by the way nabora alia matunda amange no yonda alia matunda atatu you one can take 10 alia matunda 10 no yonda alia matunda atatu omubiro ito encheranya sanyo tongete oyo alia matunda 10 vitamin C eliaso omubere igeko ba controlled pakisa ne amatunda 3 so teriko banyinge no yoli amatunda 3 onye vitamin C ye level yaye na romo biroganetie na be maintain etumyonsi so toliko linyanya nyinge chichikolete problem but omubere no matabuno gwe control now research ya vere sara nelinga abantu bagutumie nyanya munanate bachinse mecho omubere obo ngo develop immunity obonyamasi turate
obonyamasi is the
so
right one.
Immunity level yo muntu yekogenda iguru so chi infection amroira mange ta kunyara ko attack na mu attack ta kumugwa because of the immunity level which has been boosted by the use of the tomato enyanya ne ya kawaida maite to kwarira because some people barasigonyoranga ne nyanya bone ya kawaida
tutayere tatoro kiga pati mwanju muligereria it's pure tomato
it is pure tomato
echichibalirete echiro okwenda kwagura na chichibwa to biyo bonge na inche na kumiri sana anko igunde nga still nko improve ere a vision say a vision how
because
is that
do you see okay noroche component ere lycopene ne component ere kogere carrot yekoba pink mean is it which color orange color tali orange
oh it's orange
so a carrot ne pilipili by the way sikoligerelie color ye pilipili o sikoligerelie color ye tomato o sikoligerelie color ya orange o sikoligerelie color ye nyanya they are almost the same echigo cherana so erangie ye ige gotoka sebintu ebyo nere ko improve vision yani okorora kwa maiso kwa igoka lakini a carrot nera ahead ake na ne pilipili itokoroka pilipili ho it's also ahead of that so that I was saying as a cancer nikiara cancer yato chande sana cancer is affecting us so much so omuntu bwanjete kolia enyanya nguchire yakonya this type of cancers prostate cancer mouth cancer the esophagus cancer na stomach cancer and colon cancer so if yani turatebanga the digestive system cancers throat kuruomunwa mpaka colon gotrimboka so whoever uses this igabate probability libagali nene sana wotanga chikanzi ichio na ateba aso gotumie nyanya asengenje ina nairesa motegereri onenga ki enyanya tumike in that manner igeokonya go protect all types of cancer but especially cancer of the digestive system
mouth cancer esophagus cancer stomach cancer colon cancer
and prostate especially shida ya bagaka itokoroka prostate enlargement and prostate cancer so it prevents let me say also as a prostate yanyana if I can add a substance sara abagaka asemole for free naenda singing nchugwa njani wa Tenacious Herbal College na Tenacious Herbal Clinic by the way na ino na appreciate sana Ndizi TV because it's not easy by the way konyora such a type of information because ya banta bange na ba bandu maita ba kuboli korwanga ki why is Mosumari akofa this type of deep message gri baga kanga abantu bachenja gitali for treatment no into we believe in God we believe also we educate abantu Tenacious Herbal Clinic especially karwa chiro kolegeligwa what is the cause of this and the problem no kodu treatment kwa okuruora wiza negete so I want to appreciate Dr. Joel Omayo aso abantu ba mu appreciate aboroira bange ba appreciate especially amoroira arthritis doctor is an expert in that anyway arthritis
kubimba kwa
joint amarua ya iga omogongo is very good in that in fact in kisi as a herbal clinics is an expert na amoroira nda mange that is why une clinic before abantu batataracha setole we educate them lakini ko ranyo buriri bwababwire we advising na about for treatment in our clinic which is also very friendly anyway and in a college asenchendo mwalimu wa herbal therapy na babagocha this type of information inkorwa kwanse ranke because it what healing foods and healing herbs so that is why nkora changanya healing herbs and healing foods unechigambate chia today so asenyanye hiyo na kingo na go stress elinga whoever uses the tomato oyo gotumie nyanya Okay, abande mabolinga chirinko beka chinyeni. Roche Sara.
Na chituebire.
Oyo onde nabara bolinga chirinko beka chinyini naye ka chinyini chichire sugulia and then nabe ka chinyanya 3. Abantu aba twalie nyombe ngima. Now, echinchi beliogo. I want to say echinchi ko baliogo. Eyo ne supplement, ne ingredient. Kuabeka chinyini chianse chirorekane. Yes. Ne twarame design of value ya ye igerenke. Of course naende ya mixed ne chinyini, naende ya yire, naende ya bekirwe chumbi, naende ya bekirwe mafuta. There is a lot of reaction, chemical reaction which take place. Lakini ese konye tumia bune juice, wana una nairesa, it's very medicinal. Naende ngote wabotambe gasara. Any juice ere medicinal. Bune yega bono nate vire nyanya. Erebiya kunywa 30 minutes before meals.
Okay.
30 minutes before meals. We advise, because I advise ngaki juice yende yonsi ya matunda ikaro kwa nyara osirie nyenywe 30 minutes otarali kende. Ikaro to treat, ikaro to correct treatment using the herbs. Igoto whatever it is good for the person who tumia herbs 30 minutes after food. After food. Lakini juice before food. Reason ni lero.
Iro rabu nacho siwa maji.
Okay.
Ekenke konyugo after food.
We have herbal treatment. We have the roots, we have the bark, we have the seeds, we have the flowers. We go to make up for treatment. So onyenko monte lioga ya herbs. Ama lioga herbs ya mangesara. Iga kunywewa after meals.
30 minutes after
30 minutes or 1 hour after eating food. Lakini onyeneji juice igo chikunyoga 30 minutes before eating. Reason nereli. Herbs chinyinge nchirororo ekere ndere bosa they can cause reaction. Ne chinde chire very strong. So ekere chigo so in the system we can be assisted with the food so that ekere chigo so in the digestive system na treatment kwa nyoro muntu nali ne chinguru and is able to cooperate with the medicine ekere ligo kolega in the system with the foods.
Abu muri tabauti na onyenya gitari chitare nchiro kwa gunga after the meals.
Yes.
Ose after echinyinge after the meals.
Yes.
You want to move some things in common as prescriptions.
Yes.
Koira na tole enda sense mo inde studio toira nen indoje chujumbe nchirega igachi achire wetrase namba SMS yura se TV yao korora abantu bachanga mukere nyanya no inche na kumiri na ende no chiko totebinga na kiego konya as diabetes management na nengozi onyene ngozi akarato gukorera tumaye gocha kiwi igo bono tigatora bwatira bora siba mache manchu muligeria nkwira na tuli gocha na Dr. Motondi Mosumari oyo toiro bosemia na ndogendrete gotosemia ogotoka se skuru ya Tenacious Herbal College ogotoka Twin Towers asomocho songo na Tenacious Herbal Clinic abo batoire chinga kichiabo gotokwanera na gotoba bosemia egere tomanya na kitoko menya asubugu mobo kebo chenu tobese gosuka enero Ndizi TV obwansu bomusi.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi. Twakoriganiriye ase kliniki kya Marine Dental kegotoka imeyumu chobosonko asamagacho agusi Mwalimu Sacco Plaza opposite Golf House angenegetigye chigosori kiagusi Stadium rironkoria gatano room number 46 obokorori bwaito ni gobole okorusigwa maino okobekirwa maino ogosibigwa maino okobangwa maino na yanda mange twakiresimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere isano na iseto ibere eye momara kabere isano ne momara kabere isano na iseto isano ika Marine Dental Clinic asaba manyi bobo korrie bwa maino bwekerengo kigoro. Marine Dental Clinic, restoring health smiles. electricals and electronics n'abaonia b'ebintu by'okuyiga kestima ne electronics ky'ogutumika nyumba buna chi TV set, chi decoder, chi hoover, chi birika ky'okuberia mache, DVD players, chi machine ky'okugingira ebirobu by'estima by'eki aina ao power extensions, showers, consumer units, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, cooker sockets, circuit breakers, chibasi chokobasiri chianga, chi insulator switches, chi tester chistima, chi meter boxes, nebinde binge. Nigobare imeyumo chokisi, ase nyumba ya Guzi Plaza, room number G2. Naboko bakiresimi ase namba enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano enoti marakabere kianda isano na isato ibere isano na ibere gose enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano na isato isano nemo enoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere. Wima Electricals and Electronics, the best electricals in town. College ya Tenacious Herbal niyo igurita imirango yaye guciye bari batagite kugira ububweni yabugo tumika imetegeke gusi aburukigwa bari yabubwate alama yedi nabo bagosomera emirimo buna certificate in herbal medicine, certificate in nutrition and dietetics, certificate in physiotherapy nabo igo certificate in ICT asebari yabubwate alama ye C- niko bagosomera a diploma in herbal medicine, diploma in nutrition and dietetics, diploma in physiotherapy and diploma in ICT. Weyo nkosomya bare chi packages cha computer, web design, video production na short courses. Eyukumanyamange kubwatikana n'obukoreri bwabo batarire imuyumu chokisi asamagacho a Twins Towers rirongo lya kabire gosoba kirisime ase namba enotibere isate enoti sano na ibere naboko barikira liuko ase email yabo ya info@tenaciousherbalcollege.co.ke. Facebook ni gukubanyora buna Tenacious Herbal College. College ya Tenacious Herbal ni gere certified na ISO. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Mbia mono mwanchu muligiriria ogendrete kubwati murubuli obweri tukolia lero kero togendrete konyora amaigeria maya kigima korwaso munyagitali tubweri tukolia lero igoro yebo tumeki bwenyanya twarorrenga nigo bubwato byobonge onya nkwamanyete anditayo nandi kwale gocha konyora mangana buna yaiga onya tali Ndizi TV ekobwaterana na Tenacious Herbal Clinic na Tenacious Herbal College abwase bakorwa maigerio kenda no bwato mwaro kiwa oso mwana okolete skuru tara mayanki atagete gokora gose moire akore kosi igoro yo kumanya igoro yemete yeke gusi chindagera bunoro che daktari akwere sabyaiga nkoru bara maigerio chi intake ni matenga nchigendrete it's on nigari Twin Towers oche bwelike egernayo nyore amaigerio angabunaya ochago konya abantu chi generation chiko bwate igo banoto baisago kumyanga yo konyora yonsi nkorwa Tenacious Herbal Clinic na Tenacious Herbal College tubwateranete negeta senikia Ndizi TV togokoretera amayaiga igo bali mogo tubwate gwetera senchera yemitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abo Facebook no tole live kegima no tole YouTube na bogo tonyora Ndizi TV News egere onyora maigeria yaiga no bosemyo boiga utabonyora ndonsi asubugima bwao iga karo kwanyorira maigeria buna yaiga nyabeke into practice enyanya bune yo genda nye sunyunto nye tubwate blender onyore juice eri egero onyu anena bagaka ekonyo muchando yo o prostate cancer ose blockage iyo gochi yabanyora nindo che bali balikire gwetera sechi ujumbe ndo che divi na morako ra South Mugrango agotebaga kimbia mono Sara kwani daktari ase studio ama eno twasiole iri igoro yobu ya bwenyanya asante nyasaye tigamorende ama nenye gitari yabo ya Tenacious Herbal Clinic asante divi na mora Lydia kemuntu korochinsa machata baka nera goteba asante Ndizi TV asokoleto murubiri buno yo tuesemirie mpaka ando chengonyo ruankale lakini weika mokole manya gosoka kurunyomba asante Lydia korochinsa machata baka Samson Oroswa agoteba bravo daktari kweli anajua kujieleza tuamanyire obuya bwenyanya asante Samson Oroswa korochinsa mocha bumachoge chache asante nindoche akolikaga kwa Miriam nere ngoro chinsema Chogembo agoteba Ndizi TV mbia mono Sara Tita amono magani bweli tukolia lero asogo totebia ama ya mange unana kitwenete komenya kebo chenu asante Miriam ngoro chinsema Chogembo na onyo turalike ujumbe yao nyelike tingo tiga magega nara iga goteba in box your number timaitine namba ya daktari atagite kolende daktari nguchiare korwa lakini onyo kobwata libolio eye gwatumire gocha na bogo tomali boli dia gocha egere ndinyore toe daktari anyale ko bakago to gotosemia mange Victor Omondo yongoro chinsemo cha aigane mtandao Facebook live agoteba watching live from Nairobi West tuko pamoja hadi tamati na papa antivirus nkwanilie abageni abo asante mbia mono sana Victor Mondo anaendelea kufuata sana wetera senchera hiyo mtandao nalika na update wetera se fan page ya Sara Tita tiganda ranga mbalenga balikire gosokoboliri bolio asante akoro kwa Linet Omayo agoteba bolyango daktari ndali nyanye mbese kirali tuko nenkonye gosego ika okay raw tomato amine tukoboli raw tomato asibiga se sink alioka asante Linet ngoira niligole Nicholas Makoli Korogembo asante Joy Arama agoteba koronyansarabo kweli naonde ime kama kawaida sister have a blessed day kwani mwenyekitali asante Vincent Chuma Kurumangere anasema ako ndani agenda tukubwati umurubuli okegima agenda tukwesomi amange korwa sobo tumekibwenyanya MC George count me in agoteba niko ndani kama kawaida asante asoko gendera kubwate gwetera senchira ye mitandao Douglas Magati Elim School agoteba getting late to work let him share the number please ayodeba oligereire kurendaro jenga ebirongo mwerera bire nechinsa choko service ya serikali chaetire chidege 10 kianda era moe namba ara aendegas
right ase namba yane for communication igere 07 15 025 922 07 15 025 922 Mosumari. Thank you. Douglas
Magati kuro ya Elimu School ngagirete kwa nyolire namba ya daktari Motondi Mosumari egere mochimo kwa na mange kurenda yugwe ikire konyora tobaise konyorwe kibago genda murubulyo nanu chiko yonyora chinsa chiltu egose obotukobwa rero bune repeat nabego nonya YouTube ekarole school ali gose karora sokorere gasi yao no tole YouTube Ndizi TV News nabakwenda yoli kega research Ndizi TV News nonya buno kogenda igo nabokoligereria gwetera senchera ya koboko igo asante sana asibali mogendrete kolika gochaga iga ase studio igo bono mwanchu muligeria karotole na daktari Motondi Mosumari togokwanira igoro yoba chenu bwaito endera gotobwatia aso gotolikere ujumbe yawo gochaga iga ase studio karibu sana daktari.
Oh thank you Sara. Nali komenta igoro yenyanya mangechi point ange 3-4 naende ditunda nelikoro kwe kiwi kiwi tima ati Sara
kiwi talirangi bikoro
kiwi it's a kind of fruit which is also very good ditunda naende Sara no mate birangweti
actually na biribitano tumwiri naroletete na binari mambi kwanza
now sale birangweti nataka maybe abategereri baito ngochinde okwanda igoro ye birangweti sana
tokore Kurwa senyanya tutaina kie eco manage diabetes na skin.
And then inkwanere birangwet because abantu abange bachaite birangwet.
Eba bichaite sana.
But today the Rwanda birangwet, it's a wonderful medicine. So asenyanya banchwa abantu mbale babwate shida ya arthritis. Bayiwete joint gose babwata a lot of acidity. Ekere acid ere nyinga so mubere igo monta gwata mumifu amange na muruira amange ekere acid ere mubere lakini ekero mubere ora alkaline, so alkalinity I think I'll have time nchekwera segoro ya acidity and alkalinity tumanye ndagera kichira alkaline na nchi ndagera chira acidic lakini ekero monto kunywe yani okunywe nyanya of course bune juice gusekero gutakuna uno yoboria enyanya nabo gutakuna and then you swallow. There is no problem. However, kereni mixed nebi into bindeiga, it's more palatable. Kere kora sibune juice more palatable. Lakini kora abego gotakuna comfortably na all kore comfortable shida teyo. So abantu mbale nateba nga babwata a lot of acids.
Yeah.
Ekara kuri enyanya, enyanya yagokonye ku eliminate uric acids. Saranto igwana ine.
Yeah.
There is a lot of uric acid as a system. Umaite ndagera tokolia, funa chindagera tokaranga, twali chindagera chinde like animal products, chiko form a lot of acidity. Ekero kulie nyanya, igego konye ku eliminate chi acid. Kurwa somo beroito in form of now ajenke and even sweating, so that ekero toku chi eliminate omobero get more alkaline.
Okay.
Alkaline means maruire ekero taligotora mono asomo berore alkaline. Ekero oku eliminate amache kurwa say system gose kurwa somo bere we call nyanya igere diuretic ige ku eliminate amache from the system ya eliminate no chabu ekero omobero gende tokora metabolism yaye enyanya gokonya ku to eliminate impurities egento kene nyanya gokora sara asemeki yaito enyanya egosibie meki. Right? Especially the arteries. Ekere gusibie meki continuously like that, eko eliminate obo chafu bole in the arteries, ase meki in the system, igo konyora ekolowa high blood pressure. Right? Ego assist, go protect, go sekole ndo monto, tatuara high blood pressure, ikere ko igole meki, na ende gusibie meki, and our arteries remain good and they eliminate cholesterol kurwase mekime circulation yaito yaba improve. So enyanya ngo konyere digestion asa abantu babwate shida ya digestion maybe bakoli endagera ataligo sekubuya endagere bimbete arani is enyanya is very good to improve digestion zaidi ya busara immunity level tate koirora enyanya ngo konya omubere kubane chinguru shoko rwania amarwaire. Yes sir.
Igaba igokonyora batari kuri nyanya ometantu mbarora angiti nyanya naturally.
So actually kwa nginyori abana mbale especially my son ekero ko beke nyanya ase chinyeni okonyara ku eliminate nyanya mpaka yako lekure.
My son too. Na bato muchando yu agochora chinyanya kiri kirasi chinyeni me obeka kando.
So what is there now ogochi gusabura nyanya eri kwanye beka yatogota kwanye sabura and then you beat it before you put vegetables. Ekero kwanye karangire and then you put now vegetables na ndite boil mono ego boil shortly and then you put vegetables yama very comfortable.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Na koroseli sankwa.
Good. Now last time Sarah na kwante igoro yenyanya go treat wounds diote. All right? Inda iroli bwanga saba minto bali batantegerete last time.
Yeah.
Enyanya asoko wende diote is one of the components we must use. Guna bona keroko wende diote oli ontegerete. Today na bonda beti nkwandra meona because twale kwandra ya igande gonta tota keroko treat diote sibiri yote biya dirabe de chumi na machale won. Number 2, ekeroli arabire ngencheyo apply a juice yenyanya.
Okay.
Apply a juice yenyanya. After 30 minutes apply yogurt. Yogurt tumate yogurt sara. Yogurt ntumate plain yogurt. To beke strawberry yogurt we say whatever yogurt eliere korokwa plain yogurt. And then after applying plain yogurt otige for 30 minutes and then you apply honey. oboke kero wa apply oboke naro otige for around 30 minutes alafu maikoleta activated charcoal you sprinkle aso oboke igoraria. That is a very bad wound. Oisego kora ibo almost for 2 weeks. No nyene oteli arengeli bepi. That particular management na ndoba consistent na ndoba serious. The wound will heal.
Juama
yes.
There are some wounds so some maote are resistant. Ataliko buena bwango.
Na libali oteliko liko prompted by diabetes. Iko liko buena. Because many people have been healed. Nkiye kwa tokutumia nyanya for that. Enyanya asili yote it has been proven to have a chemical ekonyara ko heal liyote. All right? That is why it was even the prostate gland and the prostate cancer asing inchona ide nyanyere friendly ebwate chemical korokuliko pen na inde gotoka se cheese asabaga of course it's not friendly and ekogwenya
akerore ne nyanye bwate chinguru ebweni liyote. Why are we adding activated charcoal mitokomendere yogurt mitokomendere all that akere kunyara kubweni yaro yoka ndatumeke nyanya yoka linda se liyote.
I want to say that amaute inkigeko yani inkigeko liyote litali kubwena if I may start from that point. Sara na ebu na tole studio ga embeo igebwata a lot of contamination. There is a lot of bacteria in the air. Naende komanyete liyota aselire chi bacteria chianje to. Una chianje ta se sukariere gusasa maberare. Kwana korasa bantu bago siemesi. Inkigeko chirone chingi. All right? So bacteria love a sugary environment. So that's why we say ekerogutumia yogurt it helps to eliminate yogurt igeokonya to eliminate the bacteria. Maybe I cannot give you details now because we are moving to another point. Alafu ntobwato boke na borabo you know boke burundu is absorb and kill the bacteria. All right? No boke takes 1,000 years to expire.
1,000 years.
Yes. Okay, takes 1,000 years to expire. So we say kama nyumba ina container, then mboligo salika. So it is used for that.
Wakwane irobo okay.
Yes.
By the way, tigan ngo divert ya sinini.
Yes.
Ntobwate world honey.
Yeah.
Abo no tuarara bana bali world honey ense mugiteiga baga siriyo bogima abandi nyagitali bali. So igonto bwato boke boli jeni ni bwe chinchoke na boli bwa world. So
what I want to say, as our honey that we use, when we use any honey, from the producer we understand, and from the producer who is aware, yani umanyete korozio bokobo, na indentuma manyete, na indentuma manyete the environment, as a chincho kichiko collect their honey from their nectar from. Because there are others, by the way, Sarah, ba korete oboke bolia baburukani with the sukaringuru abande bagenda baya ibintu mbere bikoro kubo chingiriri bagenda baya baburukania so they contaminate. Are you getting that?
All right.
So this type of contamination na nabora njolenga taliboke buya bwarenge it was a kind of contamination. Ekerago process gosako mix ibintu binde akanyoro mixiri hata other poisonous components of plants or animals. All right, some products. Unabona we should be very keen ekarato kwa best no boli no nyine bituma. Ntubwate motegeto koro kwa Dandura stramonium all very poisonous. So I think I'll bring one day gaigase studio aso korokia abantu wetu because moto yogo chipenyeza asili gasarire mono na kyuko hunga food poisoning osendagara ya poisoning ya abantu bakule a plant is very common sana. Yes.
Biya mono sana. Yo watabiro oboke yogurt enyanya abo wakaseli yote.
Yes.
Then over consistent na boko bwena.
Maintain the hygiene.
Maintain the hygiene.
Yes.
Biya mono. Ono dinde tumnyoke wase kiwi.
Kiwi. Kiwi, Sarah, I think nyasao wacha next show was the next lesson ya itutoja kwegera ingocha kolete kiwi. Kiwi teligotoka raisi. Kiwi igekorwa New Zealand. Wose kiwi ekorwa se asakoro ku Himalayas. Kiwi naganto getaga sinikalenga ine passion. A passion fruit. Lakini ekaraka aga kanena keigo. Na inde kabwata marionya isiko it's a kind of fruit bwata marionya kabisa kora nebirionya bietana in around. Na inde kerego tobeko very soft. That is the kiwi. But I want to tell you aseli itunda lile ligoli in the market by the way ise kwa ndabona agaiga quick mati bosongo oise ko boli ng'ang'e kiwi you'll be surprised negento getege sinini of course kenga nelioge ligaiga it is of the size of this lakini gogotebigwa it is 160 just one was 130 was
very expensive
100 shillings actually it's not less than 100 so the kiwi is very medicinal number one asomonto gotumie kiwi it improves immunity sana for example abantu bale okonyara bale weak okonyara barwarite most of the time okonyara mubirorore ole weak maybe because of diabetes because of high blood pressure because of arthritis because of stress Sarah because of depression umate depression by the way asoko mention ya keigo ntubwate thinking no more thinking all right ekero kuru ase no more thinking ekero go think too much kwa twanyoroka overthinking lakini naende yaro ku stress ekero we stress mono ekero stress yaso a depression. All right depression yekoruo yaso a death so Sarah as much as we think yasobogi moboiga ne situation tobwate igo no motere nenche tware go shake dogo tutaraenda se kiwi it's always good to think ekero go chikonyoranga you are stressing up relax change the activity colleague and take care and then you'll come back to revisit that situation later na sogo sabanogo tera igo konyoranga waikiristo kwa gwire otherwise ngiyo motegererio ne kibunga kamonga ki ase gitabu kiemerangani 17 22 17 22 igego teba iga it is slow death to be gloomy all the time yani
slow death
it is slow death to be gloomy all the time Sarah kogechigumono na koba depressed na koba annoyed na kuna kolera na kuna kogechigwa na kuna gwate bikombe na kuna kole bintu byo speak na kogechiguna banta senseye igokaite ngogechire bakuoboe lakini yo igogendete gukungora Sarah, you saying there's difference. So the Bible is very clear. So apart from that, ekero montabata wana depression, ekera wata stress, I say go to me a kiwi. A kiwi is very powerful, and in fact, a kiwi promotes immunity and the protective system. Yomobere ige komenta mono yaba ne chinguru mono. That is a kiwi egotoka especially in big supermarkets. Yes.
Igoto kwenda buna daraja onyenyore. Umeteli tundeli gose bantu bange mpali manyeti byayo. Yeah, nakina letara today elinde nkwanere kiwi. Actually ntatata banga kiwi it's very good even for pregnant women. How?
Abangi na very expectant. They should use kiwi. Why? A kiwi ige komenta amanyinga very much than any other food.
You blend it.
You can chew, you can chew, ama you can mix with other fruits to make a juice.
Okay.
With other fruits to make a juice. Unabono, Sarah, as a kiwi you can mix. Ni watichi intera over 200 ime. Lakini those seeds are edible. You can eat them. So you can blend it with a pineapple. Ne pineapple ne popo. Tobate popo ne pineapple. Uisego blend as a pineapple ne popo. It's very okay.
Kiwi na wa kawaida
yes.
kiriko ba spell ni K-I.
It is K-I-W-I. Unelieteli.
Lierangi.
Unelieteli ga lierangi.
Okay.
Now kiwi ekeroko nyiweka ni amo ne apple. Kiwi ekeroko nyiweka na apple. Apple.
I mean apple yeah.
Litunde likoro kwa apple. Ngakiwano likoro kweke. Sine apple.
Apple.
Igolide libuate vitamin C 17 times more than the apple. Ine kiwi vitamin C. And by the way fruit and also what vitamin C ere igoro mono immunity level it improves. Ego konyo mobere ko bano banyamasi obokomsa. So montonde wese gutumie kiwi eyiye wete apple 17 times more in vitamin C. Alafu ikamanya kubwa matunda ande buna bono ibwate level of magnesium ere igoro egatwara iron ere igoro egatwara other vitamins like protein ere igoro than the apple ejitwa of course we respect the apple because they are king of fruits. So if you use omontabe gutumie kiwi that ko iro lietelio na benga bune lietelie rangi especially the mothers very expectant ba ko improve immunity blood circulation they relax they become comfortable alafu nonye other complications omwana ali go develop immunity ekerako ba born nchiko bo the child will be okay and will be well protected and the immunity a mom will always be the immunity of the child. So omwana kuiburwa obwate immunity level igoro and all very strong.
Wow.
That is the kiwi. Yes.
Mwancho muligerie kiwi bono elineli tunda una daktari akwereraga igase studio. Bantu bange mbali manyeti ose mbali tambweti mono kulenda asibali bali manyete igo bayigule na bali batali manyete bono ngorengi twensi tuabeire tuanyoli robo semyo bo asobwamo anene mono buna ego konya saba subati bebwatranike.
Yes. Alafu na abantu bale diabetic, it is very good.
Okay.
In fact, for diabetic people, because some of are weak most of the time, because yamaleo bagotumia and high blood pressure, if they can eat the kiwi, they always bakoba ne chinguru, okay, ba feel normal, and to some level, according to research, a kiwi ngwase stiere okay diabetes condition, was a diabetic reaction in the body system.
Ne konya rogo keyo mchandobo which kilo chinyinge was so base.
Yeah, it ends as there. By the way, onyo muntu otagete ko keya chikiro chomobere. It is very easy. Go back to avocado. Avocado they want a topic here very smart. Like now for the sake of saying chokwaboria, omuntu isikwira na back to the avocado. Avocado igo ya manyire karenge bwata mafuta mangi na inde kogera abantu nabo gutwara umubiro manene but the recent research ya korero 1992 igego tebanga avocado helps to lower cholesterol in our systems. Of course I can go na cholesterol abantu bange mbali ko understand we will come to have time to explain what is cholesterol levels. So igego kona obesity. Avocado ngokonyere high blood pressure. You see that, but I think that will be a topic for another time.
Ndelio ndoche mwelekezi wangu olibikira TV aligerelie TV na bakora litunda.
Yeah, good.
Oh yeah,
good. I think that is the fruit I'm talking about.
A kiwi.
Yes. That is the fruit I'm talking about.
Na very green in color.
Yes.
Enga avocado.
Yes.
Kurusike enga bune pears.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Mwelekezi nashukuru sana.
Asante.
Asante sana.
Na kiego test ili tundeli.
So na buna sugar kidogo na ndi chumvi kidogo. So ere gati. It's not very sweet. Sometimes nabora akaengere bitter, but it's not bitter. But it is very effective in the treatment. Yes, very effective.
Thank you so
much.
Thank
you Mwelekezi for that smart one.
This was so nice.
So naboko libune juice, naboko liria as it is, naboko chew. You only remove the outside cover and then you chew it. Lakini iliko too soft. We can only keep in the fridge to maintain it. So abantu banata na abantu with high blood pressure and diabetic and arthritis, please they should be using the kiwi, but it is very expensive. Okay. Yes.
Maitena amachiri korora a pears na kwande ne apple.
Yes.
The
pears, one of the difference is the pears is very sweet. The pears is very sugary. And I want to tell you Motegaralinga, amatunda nare keroko nyabeka munuko igwa bwate sukari nyinge. And we usually say abantu bale diabetic mostly they should use. But with the advice of the daktari they can eliminate. Lakini ase group enene all these foods chibwate sukari, this is a natural sugar. Terigo chiyashtua the comment kagwe sukari ya samanyinga bwango igeko digested slowly na in a normal condition umubiroko gwada
absorb juu igari natural
kwa
botongi neli tunda lyakina ndibwati mangana additives ibintu byetere process unless chijuice bine chitokonyora chibikira aliese chiduka korwa sama tunda korwa seki mentire esukali ya mwanya bante yebona tuerose but ya iga matunda ya natwale sukali na nyino muntu obwate sukali takomo affect mono asingencho
esukali is very normal and normal to the body. Yes.
Mancho muligere nka yina ndora nyora maigiri bunaya nka yora nyora mwali mu bwato bumanyi bwekerango kigoro onyatari Dr. Mosumari Motondi korwa Tenacious Herbal Clinic na Tenacious Herbal College korwa igase umuchibo songo ogenderete gotosomia amange igoro yobotumeki bwa matunda na vegetables aliago tokonya asokole ndemebere yaito. Asante sana se bali mogenderete gotuma bono mambia nara korokwa Priska korwa chensemo cha miriri agote bambia mono sana mugani ase studio asokoleta mwegero yeli tukolia lero namanyita maene agote banga kweli watu wanapotea kwa kutojua lakini wakishajua wanaokoka ama wanaokolewa igombia mono sana nara agote akorokwa Henry Ombati korachinsa macha suneka Morenda agote abwakire biasara no mugani ase studio nimejifunza mengi sana. Sikuwa najua hizo matunda ni za hali ya juu namna hiyo. Asante nera kule korochensa machabo Morenda suneka. Bia mono. Gendera kulika onyo gutubwatete wetira senchira yimitandao na botoko nyore comment yawe gerto yasomega iga ekoroto no munyagitari to no mwalimu ase studio. Totigwa magiganyo kubwate kubolia nyagotagete enamba ochikumwakira nkorwale nande narwa bulitangani kolende nanda bakoyeru karoto gukurra igoro ya kiwi whatever is very expensive na verache gosabanto osangana
but very effective
no golelimo talira small mange.
Actually, I want to say, as someone to what diabetic, as diabetic or someone to the week, itamlazimisha akule moja ama mbili for 21 days.
Consecutive.
Yes, consecutively. Kaza juice, gosena bakoli kuna normally kuna litunda. Yes.
Mbia mona sana. Ndoche ntokura ikilia bukiwi. Tosoya sekera ngwati chinsa chitaratu mnyoki ndo chenga chategeri chideka chitali chitatu wanjira mono.
All right. So, Motegerali, Sarah, Biamono, you are an expert.
Asante.
I like the way you assist.
Biamono.
Ntubate kirangweti. Ebirangweti, neli tunda lichaire. Lichaire buna tunda kibono lyo muntu atari kugora na ine chiro lipera.
Lipera, yes.
Onyoro muntu akonya mapera.
Chichambura. You know chichambura?
Chichambura.
The purple ones.
Yeah, the purple. Bakoroka chichambura abandi baroka chinjamuna abandi baroka zambarau. Ebintu mbire bichaire.
Yes.
So one of them nekirangweti. The other one is lipera. But today ntatu kwa negoroje kirangweti.
Okay.
Na inde ntatu kwa fair nko requesting abalimo konyora this information na amogo share na abandi. Na yeto kwa selfish because una Tenacious Herbal Clinic ya collect information na ina bogo share asingincho assist abandi because when you get this information abere.
Yego konya. Utaragenda daktari.
Yes sir.
Na egotomire ujumba gotebanga oyo bwontita
yes.
Babu mkongwe oyo noyo moito koreto murubuli orumba
right.
Every Saturday agoteba is watching nagenda tukutoligereria mone familia abo Moses Ogaro with Frida Mokeira all the way from Onywera village agoteba daktari is doing a good job. Can diabetes be healed? Babu mkongwe asante kwani mwaka Moses Ogaro no mongina Frida Mokeira bia mwana sokoligereria.
So babu mkongwe.
Babu mkongwe kigogo.
Hata mimi nimekujua asante kwa sababu ya vipindi viliokoleta. Okay, diabetes can be healed. One challenge nelinga we need mbona nate actually amaruire narugo taka komanya the history. Before utaracha ka ndabono gaiga studio nabonda atebenga utumie liogeri neli but I will not be fair because goika number 1 uraruro murwaire Sara number 2 uramanya malioga atumire number ende uramanya history yayenga kia chiro no buroiro bugocha gocha ngakie igwete
nande maliogoki
atumire and then step inchiro chogo so now onye konyo gutumia malioga nyagitari ona nateba na keroko chako mwa malioga yande steps inchiro okomu advice okomu encourage to start aso gwenge na lego tebanga come to Tenacious Herbal Clinic you'll get adequate information na bakonyora adequate treatment na ninkugwenere.
Yes, babu mkongwe diabetes nkogweni gwere yaera ekera amanyire some ebintu.
And actually ntaiteko bafanga nje personally I gave a certain Ugandan tigaba nontebe igo I gave a certain Ugandan eliogo ekera bimbetamba goro na pressure. So all of instant agacha gontebinga ugwenire diabetes.
Amen.
So I was surprised also. The kiagara igona lego treat blood pressure and edema. Igabi metamagoro. So kanyoranga instantly when le diabetes. It is over 12 years. She's a lady and she's very much okay. Anyway, to go to
over 12 years. In this field
yeah, it's over 12 years ago. That is why actually all this information I have, our educator will say inform. Actually, in every organization, we come to our more advanced. Actually, Dr. Joel Omayo is more advanced in this. So he's also educating us, okay? And we assist him. Actually, we enjoy. We enjoy his environment. Na kitawatanga Tenacious Herbal Clinic and Tenacious Herbal College. They are of the same entity and they offer the same information.
Feedback. Feedback positive.
Yeah, from Uganda.
Koro Uganda nga kwa bwendi na igo kogo kanga kwa college ensema ya obune bwenerete. Nonye kera ensemo. Onyene intu na baralia karo kwa college mugano gete okonyiro monto.
Now like now Sarah you are doing this one. Buna ncho mwalimu naenda buno monyagitari. You are facilitating well Sarah. Let me appreciate you.
Mbia mono. Bono toira nase kerangwati mete bikwama mbire bikwama meterega monto ogotenda nongwa okwangusa koro wejirani kwa ruta mono. Kumbe ayo ukoli gwetenga no batabwe kerangwati kumbe mbwato biya bono toira kumbe ni dawa. So
nale gochakora appreciate abangina bali bakolete birangwet unabona naro akoleta alia round about nale kumwadvisinga mbi yarete birangwet bire bitobu kabisa una biri akoleta because igo bire me design. So thank you. Ase birangwet biga mostly it is good ekero bikuliye go byato bire biya kabisa. Ekiaro isekulia biri bitaratoba ibo bwati acid nyinge. Oisekuru ise kirango etigetara no enayo munu okunga igo va too bitter. Yes, okunga it's not comfortable in the mouth. Obokangiti na ena maina kusinyo kole gasi asinginje ya acid. Oh na inywere Sara. Litunda liroro for the sake of that. Nali wa device litunda liroro abantu bale bakonyora litunda liroro lemon bali sabura basabura biya various pieces inside batakuna. All right,
in fact ba mentane chumbi baro ba ko mentane chumbi nga nalia atetuburu gete bole extraordinary.
If that one is done aso motegereri otoigwete lemon telikulie gubo never a lemon yekerego takunu direct it affects your minor. All right, it makes your teeth after some time ego so go crack. So it will cause cracking of your teeth. Ekona combine two pieces na ndikwa nyarabana mainalia elevo ya kuburoka aseke gusi.
The same case we apply na onyena seriembe.
Yes.
Ro amaembe na
ro. Bana baiga konyara bana babwata maembe bakabeke chumbi. That is affecting the teeth. So the best way you could litunda no koleta litunda into 1 glass of water omitera litunda aga oliburukani biya and then you drink ekaro kwa oliburukani ya mache no konyo litunda eli mbu yakolinywa nestro mbu kolinywa nestro. I think a lemon will be a lesson for another time.
Estro then tingo nyulioka
you see why do we say unabono ekaro gosiba ngochiere ko in contact with your teeth ejitota ete eliminate because it tagete ekaro kwa nyure nestro kuhamira direct. Yes, all right. Stay in contact with the white part of the teeth because it will cause some corrosion as a minor. For example ntaite mono ngyo motageri on experiment ya wichi wakora gendo lete lemon onyemite ase floor yes miti osia red drops iga maybe marogova. And then what do you think you'll meet the following day? Asili tunda liriagwa, you'll find the mark. it already reacts with the floor.
Okay.
Acid reacts. So when it react with the floor, na we react with the teeth.
Okay.
Lakini the goodness, yeri tunde lidiroro, ekaroli achirenda. Ekaroli homenende na macha aliyarenda enzymes, digestive juices, nevinde, igego change into alkalinity. Tibetukisara kwa nyore baba. It changes into alkalinity. It cannot continue to being acidic.
Okay.
Yes.
Again, chiranero mobero tongire enzymes, whatever.
Yes. Digestive juices.
Chigo change ya again to kia chakova harmful.
Yes.
Kia change ya se konyara.
Kia babia, and then you become okay. By the way, more elemoningo to make it coir ulcers, but iga can make a caution, goika etumiwe with an expert. Iga tindi watabanga, you can go use a lemon. No. It should be used, we get to make no montolio manyete. Okay. Now, ekirangweti, ekero kwa kerusiri asemete, gesibi biyabu na matunda anons. And is mbiya osibi na mache akenonogete biya. Either matunda stiga sibi guna mache abelidi. Ekiegara jams chia kule na bunogo chikunya tumia refresh. It's good go tumia na mache abelidi sara. And then I want to say talibi yagu sibi ya matunda na mache ale chemicalized. Unabona bekire
water guard, chlorine.
Yes. Nabona nyale kwa bekire extra. Wose kwa bekire mina lebenke techi wita jams. So I advise always to clean na macha because even binda bigo chibire fresh.
Lakini macha abiri avu daktari.
Yes.
Abange batwale challenge kubeli kubeli ya macha meta macha abiri ba meta na yokonyu. Lakini wasibiri tunda barabu meta wasibiri running water. Ayo ne kwendo tinyeri litunda byega.
Good. It can happen. Of course tinda akana. Lakini it's more secure. Yeah, it's more secure. You are assured of more protection. Especially as abantu ba suffer from amoebiasis. Abantu ba suffer from amoebia. From typhoid. Typhoid, yeah. Actually, we can understanding umubiro no correspond go just typhoid na amoeba igore na bo correspond. So ba clean up biya.
Daktari, nto kwanire kirangu ati in summary, again next time togo cha kere in length.
Good.
Sangejo chinsa chitondo chenga togo cha kangu tiga tole binte vingenchira. Onombi yo summarize.
Yes.
Next time to cha kere ke kirangu ati.
Good. Bono ekirangweti ekerota yete ko heal gose go treat liver disorder. Liver lini eshida yelini. Okay. Lini diagerire paka no na macha go ichoranda. Okay. Ende bimbete liver disorder. Ekirangweti ebirangweti is very good. Wow. Are you getting that, Sarah?
Na what?
A kidney. Chinyigo. Chitaligo kolega asiaje buya. Chiatwalire complication. Kidney problem. Go say aseluge ye nyororo. Ebirangweti is medicine. Ebirangweti. Abantu bali kubali anchete. On off. Ebirangweti is medicine.
No, Brighton, na bwateli kuba. Awateli kuba, chana livono mafia. Eganda ligirangwa.
Brighton, na abandoned of course, even me nkora tuarande, but it is very good. Ase likuba. Ase diabetes. Uburoiriwe sukari ase luga nyororo. Ebirangweti is very good. And actually through the study of some big universities in this world, I'll give you the details. Of course, I'll come with the details of research. Ebirangweti is very good in controlling diabetes. Wow.
Diabetes, liver problem, kidney problem,
and common cold, and infections and diarrhea. Ebine birangweti. Nono gocha next time. Ingocha kubatabinga nechi kilo ile ngakoli. Because we carry more than 3 kilos.
3 kilos pa ase kwenda yemo.
Asaso kwandule condition ya yamo completely. We katwale chikilo sato chebirangweti.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Yatotigera abo nali abantu bara inyole nga wiki ego cyane otogo cyakira abo birangwati karate ba kidney problems na chiko kwanira nga incompetent kye birangwati bibwata bikogera bya release omuchando we chikidi ni gotakora buya
Yes.
no nyene liver liver nko gutora maguta ngo chiara ichorororo an ma se liver kwanyora yasinyirwa function buya bono ebirango atiebi ngurukie chichibwate bibwate bigo chigokora obobobo onsiayo ne Jumaine gocha lituko chinsabune chigatwa chaka 1:30 goikakara bona chirigere chinsesa to chabona mambia daktari nkwana yayo mwali ucha sabaligereria
actually nare gotebanga mbia mono baligereri baito una nare gukora ngoteba skuru yaito ya Tenacious College dere bwate chikosi chinyinge nebwate course yo kwegeribwa igoro yokorosi etukia nebwate course ya marketing sales and marketing nebwate course ende buna bono computer college is also there to kwegeria anta tukwana asobenga all TVET courses okay all TVET courses abanafunzi mbangi net we offer them as a Tenacious College.
Ebirango ati twabekere umwelekezi nande otubekere ebirango ati abo ase TV abiri mocha ete mongina ko anibaka ikomi lakini muntu takugora
from today actually nanche kanale ku find out about yes mwelekezi ndiyo ebirango ete nabyo
ebina tubori ebiya
and that is the actually ntatata basara that is the right one what you maybe to better
biya
wono ko bisibiko ruanse melianse you wash it like that kwa ruschinta taroro you blend it you can take it as a juice
and raw
and even raw you can chew when it is raw lakini ukotumia ebi biato bire kabisa bichu affected the tongue and because it lowers the acidity that is the type
na bibyo mwanchu muligere ebirango
asante mwelekezi wetu umetusaidia sana asante so nalo watanga Tenacious Herbal Clinics ero tunyibwata alia jogo ase daktari omayari n'abanyagitari bande nande nate bantu bwata marioga yiga arthritis kwengurira all body problem rheumatism watigo mobere omogongo joint na cinnamon oil asingencho ya massaging and even can be taken inside because it is already a powder na kalonji oils ayigo sigara maya asogo konya anyway karo wachirali clinic now we can advise more I got 2 towers in Kisi ground floor no to bwata mariogon sp all types of herbal medicine arororo munyagitali noare ogokweliogo na ndoko eresa bunogo chigutumika it is very costly mean it is not costly it is very friendly alafu namanya batabo mwalinga ecos yo admit abana goche school nagenderete admission now it's ongoing as you say just whatever herbal medicine and other TVET courses just be no chire bunechina teba sara
bainyuri namba yesime karo kodra yao
ase namba yane yesime for more contacts igere 07 15 025 922 Mosumari alafu ase contact ye college is Tenacious Herbal College.com co and then .ke
okay
yes
asante nkore nginga mwanchu muligeria onyorire na ndonye tanyorati Jumaine gocha rende to baise gusukanse moni nusweka chinse soto chamambia mbia mana sana daktari asogo tweresera mange asoboime twaigure nga kiwi twegure nyanya nebirango ati bitu atigaire nchira lakini ngo bigendera tole wiki egocha ayina mangana maya kwa Tenacious Herbal Clinic na Tenacious Herbal College twarenge na daktari Motondi Mosumari oyo ene kiri mwelekezi yotoko na gotogi gaiga akoro kwa John Kebati oyo ene kiri na Mariogine Chibicha awikira sengencho yobotoeraru
thank you John
oli twarenge komo asomorobole bwensa kya nigonkoba na Brighton Makoli mbia mono sana na inchi nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita twaro bategara liborobia imeyandizi TV obwansu bumuse
thank you so much be mono sana
Ndizi TV.